Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a 1984 Chevy short bed pick-em-up truck. These square box trucks are super popular, and this one here is an outstanding example. It's been restored to show condition. It's got a leather interior, show quality paint with some little custom touches here and there. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study pictures top to bottom, and that is where you'll find price tags on every car that we have for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon so you're notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, underneath the truck is just super nice and clean. The metal, the frame, no issues. The front end's been all rebuilt, ball joints, bushings, shocks, you name it. It's got coil-over shocks in the back. Custom-made dual exhaust. It's all welded. Flowmaster mufflers, I believe. Nice stainless steel tips coming out the back. You look up at the motor, it's super clean. It's a turbo 350 automatic trans. The brakes have been redone. They're disc in front, drum in back. E-brake assembly is all hooked up. So real nice, clean, proper underneath the truck. Now the body, that's show quality. I said it has a few custom touches. All the trim, all the moldings, emblems were taken off and the holes were filled for a nice clean look. The body work is professional. I mean, it is laser beam straight. This is smooth as can be. There are no bubbles, no shoddy body work. This is all amazing. It fits beautifully, no bubbles, no issues. Again, you could put this on our $150,000 Chevelles. This body and paint is that nice. Fits right on the money, all metal. The midnight blue is a metal flake. It's laid out evenly. It's the same color everywhere you look. And again, it's polished like glass. Here's a little scratch right here. This fender's mint. The door is mint. The front windshield's replaced. All the rubber gaskets have been replaced. They put in a rear sliding window with a new gasket, so that's all new. The glass is tinted. All the exterior trim that it does have is replaced. The mirrors, the door handles. Yeah, this is all mint. I don't see any flaws, no chips. It's all smooth. New tail lights, new bumper. The tailgate's real sharp. It is in memory. The woman that brought us the truck, it's in memory of her brother. Next owner doesn't want that on there. That will polish off. Yeah, tail lights, real nice. There might be another little nick or two I'm kind of looking for. So I'm stalling that I missed. But I'm telling you, this is show quality body and paint. Got some nice chrome American racing wheels. They are pitting. Once you look up close, they're pitting down in the nooks and crannies. The tires have hardly any miles on them. The little bubble right here, like smaller than my pinky nail. There's one little bubble, and it's clean metal on the backside, so I don't think that's anything to worry about. So why don't we open it up and see what's inside? So it's a nice clean tailgate. The mechanism works properly. It was actually taken to Line-X. This is actual Line-X sprayed in the back here. It is absolutely rock solid. There might be a couple dents here and there, little dimples, but rock solid bed, and it's got Line-X spray in there. So you can actually use this, throw stuff in there. You're not going to hurt it. The paint and the color is gorgeous. You'll notice the door jamb and the inside of the door is also painted real slick. And they sell the parts for these trucks now, so that's an all-new door panel, armrest, the window crank, the door handle, all that's been replaced. Same with the dash, has a billet bezel, some really nice VHX blue gauges, light up blue, really nice gauges. I love them. The heater control panel looks like it's new. Got a billet lever for a shifter, a retro sound stereo with some auxiliary plugs here hidden in the ashtray. The whole dash pad's new, the bezel's replaced. Down on the floor, you got billet pedals, you got new carpet, leather gripped steering wheel. Now the seats, they're actual leather, not vinyl, but this is real genuine leather, all custom made. You got bucket seats, you got the buddy cushion in the middle, it does fold down, makes an armrest. You got storage down below there. This is all genuine leather. The entire inside of the cab is painted. You got retractable shoulder belts, a billet mirror, new visors. So the interior is pretty much like new with some nice upgrades. Now, they mentioned the grille looks like it's new and it has a nice polished bow tie emblem. 350 motor, completely rebuilt. It's juiced up a little bit. It's got an Offenhauser intake. It's got a set of headers, a dual feed Holley carb with electric choke. You got a Mallory ignition system. It runs real well. Dressed up with some Holley aluminum valve covers. And the engine bay has been prepped and painted. The nice durable coating. The fan shroud, it's real good. You got aluminum water neck there. Of course, we got power steering, power brakes, new power steering hoses. Yeah, so nice clean engine compartment. Boy, you can climb right in there to work on that, change the spark plugs in no time. Best color in the world as far as I'm concerned is midnight blue, and I bet it's even better looking in person than what you're seeing. It's got some depth, it has some metal flake, just a gorgeous color. Looks like the latches in the doors and on the hood were replaced. Yeah, nice truck. All new weather strips. Again, these square bodies are popular. It's because people my age remember these trucks. This is what we grew up with, and so now we have memories attached, so now they're popular, and they're only going to just continue to go up in value. This is a really great one right here. That's my impression anyway. Go to volocars.com. That's you can read the specs, study all the pictures. We have prices on every one of our cars there at volocars.com. You can talk to the salesmen. They'll help you, answer your questions. They can help get this delivered anywhere. They can help you finance it. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you click on that bell icon, you will be the first to see the next one posted. Thanks for watching.